The problem with UV rays is by the time you realize you're getting burned, it's already too late. Sun exposure is a massive problem. It causes 86% of melanoma cancers and prematurely ages your skin. 2 years ago, we created My UV Patch as essentially the first step of a major campaign to understand the UV exposure of our consumers. It made a huge impact. People who wore it started applying a lot more sunscreen and spending a lot less time in the sun. But we didn't stop there. We thought it could be smaller, look better, and last longer. And to bring that goal to life, we really needed to find the right design partner.
My philosophy about design is that design accelerates the adoption of new ideas. And when we think about the new technologies that are emerging out there, there is a way that design can make them more acceptable, more livable, something that is actually desired.
Working together, we took the technology to the next level and came up with a completely new way to integrate it onto the body by shrinking it down to the size of a thumbnail.
It's not just an assignment. We create assignments for each other.
In many ways, we have kind of a very limitless way of working with each other. We understand what we know, which is the beauty consumer and all the kind of science around the industry. We also know what we don't know, where we need the team of Fuse and Eve's vision to kind of integrate. UV Sense is the first of its kind, a battery-free wearable electronic that measures UV. It's 9 millimeters long, its sensor is UV activated, and its capacitor can store 3 months of data. You can't see it happening, but the UV Sense communicates with your phone to track your levels.
The goal of the UV Sense is to bring UV protection to everyone in a way that is really integrated to people's lifestyle.
VUZIX Blade Smart Glasses are a hands-free extension of your smartphone that displays your digital life right in front of your eyes. Never miss the action with a built-in high-definition camera for capturing videos and beautiful pictures. Simple swipe and tap interactions let you control your view. Powerful Cobra display engines. USB and Bluetooth audio with built-in microphones. Open platform for third-party app integration. Be connected, stay informed, and never miss a shot. Your digital life is important, but you find yourself staring at your smartphone all the time. With VUZIX Blade, being connected can be much more than that. It's about staying engaged with the conversation you're having and leaving your phone in your pocket. With VUZIX Blade Smart Glasses, you stay connected to your digital life while staying connected to your real life. Receive all the notifications you select, like messages, breaking news, and smart home alerts while your phone stays in your pocket. VUZIX Blade is instantly there to keep you informed. VUZIX Blade also keeps you informed.
Hey, yeah, I'll be there in about 20 minutes.
Answer phone calls and receive clear, concise directions you set up on your phone. Stay informed about your performance with connected devices. Keep focused on the open road, backwoods trail, or city streets with turn-by-turn directions displayed in front of you. The best camera in the world is the one you have with you. Quick access to the VUZIX Blade camera app means no more fumbling for your phone. With just a tap or a simple voice command, capture or record the most special and unexpected moments. share your pictures in seconds or view them on your smartphone. You're always ready to capture and share. Be connected, stay informed, and never miss a shot.
Levitation is the world's first compact and powerful bionic knee brace. Unlike traditional knee braces, levitation stores and transfers energy while simultaneously stabilizing the knee joint to increase mobility beyond the user's existing capabilities. Early attempts at developing bionic knee braces were too heavy, too big, or simply not powerful enough. To overcome this challenge, our team reinvented the spring through years of research, testing, design, and innovative engineering. Spring-Loaded has now introduced the power of bionics to the knee brace industry for the first time. Compact and lightweight, our braces have the power to directly augment and enhance mobility. Introducing Levitation, the world's first bionic knee brace. Levitation's unique bionic hinge stores energy as you bend your knee and releases it as you extend.
As soon as I put on the knee brace, I felt different immediately because I thought, like, I'm back.
I don't ever want to not be me. I want to be able to keep going, get up and walk around. To me, this is a minor miracle.
I feel like they'll be able to keep me walking longer than what was originally planned for me.
41 years ago, I wanted knee braces. I bought every kind you could get, and now I got these. It's like, sometimes I think it's too good to be true.
Levitation's spring-loaded hinge is designed to act as a shock absorption system that can help reduce pain while redirecting compressive forces away from the knee joint. It assists extension of the knee, giving users the boost they need to stand from seated, walk downstairs, and restore everyday mobility. At Spring-Loaded, we imagine a world where mobility is enhanced or restored and never left impaired. Our bionic brace Levitation is the first step and is now helping people work harder, play longer, and do more of what they love every day.
The world is full of things to explore, and we gain an understanding about our world through sight, taste, touch. But sometimes our senses don't give us all the information we want. Now, there's a solution that can help identify things around you with the click of a button. Introducing LINKSQUARE SDK, a portable spectrometer and development kit. LINKSQUARE uses visible light to determine the exact colors of objects. And it uses near-infrared light to detect their molecular makeup. Included in your LINKSQUARE SDK is a LINKSQUARE spectrometer, a user's guide, a set of sample color chips, USB charging cable, and spectral data collection software. Connect LINKSQUARE to a Windows PC using Wi-Fi. Next, place the LINKSQUARE in contact with the object of interest. Then, press the button on the side of the spectrometer. LINKSQUARE will gather data on how the object responds to light and transforms the data into a spectrum graph. As a developer, you'll be able to use the graphs you collect to create applications for personal use. You can create apps to distinguish between medications, validate the authenticity of gemstones, and much more. LINKSQUARE can be deployed in a wide range of fields, such as research, pharmacy, education, food, and environmental studies. Stratio's engineers have tested the software, prototyped the hardware, and selected manufacturing partners. All that's missing is you. Small spectrometer, big possibilities. LINKSQUARE SDK.
Like you, we love tech, and it's now all connected and smart. But every single device comes with its own mobile app or remote control. What if there was a simple way to control everything? Meet Smart Remote, the most advanced control system for your home. Smart Remote gives you the ability to control any device via Wi-Fi, Bluetooth or infrared. Simply point at the device you want to control and Smart Remote screen adapts instantly, like magic. We have also integrated your favorite services. You can point at your door to order an Uber, or at your window to check the weather. The possibilities are endless. Smart Remote comes with a charging base and 3 room sensors which are used for indoor positioning. Setup is super easy. Just place the sensors in the room where you would like to use Smart Remote, and that's it. Our patent pending technology combines an indoor positioning system with motion tracking sensors, allowing Smart Remote to be incredibly accurate and highly responsive. After years of research and development, we are now ready to start production.
Pour le design de la Smart Remote 7HUGS, nous voulions répondre à 2 enjeux principaux. Définir une identité propre qui se singularise de l'univers des smartphones ou des télécommandes traditionnelles. Nous voulions un produit au design extrêmement simple pour une utilisation la plus intuitive possible.
We pushed boundaries to build a perfectly designed product. We tested dozens of prototypes. We worked with a leading global manufacturer to build a fantastic high-definition screen for the Smart Remote.
What you have seen is just the beginning. We want the Smart Remote to be the only remote you will ever need.
More than a year ago, we had an idea. What if you could create beautiful and engaging videos without expensive gear? That idea became VIMBLESS. Attach it to any smartphone to transform shaky footage into smooth and dynamic shots. We designed VIMBLESS so that anyone can use it, but with the features that even professionals can appreciate, giving everyone the power to create and express themselves like never before. VIMBLESS puts controls at your fingertips that let you change your video's exposure, zoom, focus, and white balance, all without touching your phone, so you can get your shot just right. Take an everyday moment and record it with beautiful cinematic quality. Then edit and share it with just one tap. Live streaming mode makes it easier to record with the world watching. Let VIMBLESS be your personal cameraman with face tracking that automatically follows your movement. Take the best photos you've ever shot with your smartphone using Vimble's automated panorama, or make epic time lapses effortlessly. We've teamed up with one of the best gimbal manufacturers, VUZIX, to ensure the highest quality possible. Now we need your support to begin production of VIMBLESS and start shipping. Join